Hello everyone! Today we're taking a look at the newly launched Redmi K90 Ultra, a smartphone that many Mi fans have been waiting for with great excitement. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content. The Redmi K90 Ultra carries forward the clean and minimalist design language introduced by the K90 Max. Its large rear camera module isn't just home to the camera system, it also integrates a dedicated active cooling fan. This is one of the key features that pushes the K90 Ultra's performance to a whole new level. Just like the K90 Max, the phone features an 18.1mm cooling fan, which is around 6% larger than the typical solution used by most competitors. The increased airflow significantly improves heat dissipation, while a cleverly concealed downward-facing air outlet directs cool air toward the phone's body, creating an additional layer of cooling. One thing that's especially worth pointing out is the fan placement. On many gaming smartphones, the fan vents are positioned on the side, making the fan noise much more noticeable while gaming. The K90 Ultra takes a different approach by placing the entire cooling module on the back of the device, allowing the display to naturally block much of the sound. Combined with refined engineering, Xiaomi has also reduced the sharp, high-frequency fan noise, transforming it into a much softer and smoother white noise that's barely noticeable. You can still hear the difference between the quieter mode and the high-speed cooling mode, but the overall sound remains much more pleasant. The cooling fan isn't only useful for gaming either. On the K90 Ultra, it can be activated in virtually any situation. Whether you're charging the phone or using it outdoors during hot summer days, switching on the fan helps reduce heat buildup, keeps the device cooler, and can even contribute to better long-term battery health. Despite including an active cooling system, the Redmi K90 Ultra still offers IP66, IP68, and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance. Both the air intake and exhaust are equipped with protective filters, helping ensure long-lasting reliability. Thanks to its large fan, quiet operation, and dependable performance, the Redmi K90 Ultra solves many of the common issues found in smartphone cooling systems. So, how effective is the cooling in real-world testing? Using third-party stress testing software, we first pushed the K90 Ultra until its peak temperature reached 50 degrees Celsius. After that, we monitored the cooling process with a thermal temperature gun. Once the background apps were cleared and the fan was switched to its high-speed mode, the phone's maximum temperature dropped to just 42.6 degrees Celsius in roughly 100 seconds. That's an impressively fast cooldown. This impressive result isn't just because of the active fan. The phone also features a massive 6,000 square millimeter 3D ice-air circulation cooling pump, providing powerful passive cooling to work alongside the fan. With such an advanced thermal system serving as the foundation, the Redmi K90 Ultra is fully equipped to unleash the power of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Paired with the huge 8550 mAh Xiaomi Golden Sand slurry battery, the phone is built to deliver even stronger and more consistent gaming performance.
For our gaming test, the room temperature was maintained at 25 degrees Celsius with the display brightness fixed at 200 nits. We enabled the Game Toolbox's explosion-proof mode, switched the cooling fan to its high-speed setting, and played using the Star Iron 988p ultra-high graphics preset for 1 full hour during peak server hours. Throughout the session, all performance data was recorded with PerfDog. After the 1-hour gaming test, the Redmi K90 Ultra delivered an average frame rate of 59.5 FPS while maintaining an average power draw of 7.42 watts. Battery consumption was just 23%. In terms of temperature, the front of the phone peaked at 50.6 degrees Celsius while the back reached 47.2 degrees Celsius. But we didn't stop there. To really challenge the phone, we moved on to a high-temperature endurance test with the cooling fan still running at high speed. This time, the room temperature was increased to 30 degrees Celsius, and we played ranked matches in honor of kings for 3 straight hours using ultra-high graphics at 144 FPS. Even under these demanding conditions, the Redmi K90 Ultra maintained an impressive average frame rate of 144.2 FPS, while the 1% low frame rate stayed as high as 139.7 FPS. Average power consumption was only 4.03 watts, and the phone used just 37% of its battery over the entire 3-hour session. Maintaining a stable, full frame rate experience for such a long period in a hot environment is made possible by the combination of its powerful active cooling fan and advanced passive cooling system. The gaming experience isn't only about frame rates, though. The Redmi K90 Ultra also improves gameplay through a range of hardware and software enhancements. For touch response, it supports 480 Hz multi-finger touch along with a 3500 Hz synchronous touch sampling rate, helping reduce missed inputs during intense gaming sessions. It also includes optimized touch zones for popular FPS and MOBA titles, making controls feel more accurate and responsive. On the audio side, the phone features symmetrical dual stereo speakers that create a balanced and immersive soundstage. It also supports Bose gaming audio, delivering an enhanced sound experience whether you're using the speakers or headphones. In shooting games, footsteps are clearer, positional awareness is improved, and bass effects feel richer for a more immersive experience. So to wrap everything up, the Redmi K90 Ultra delivers exceptional performance in both long gaming sessions and cooling efficiency. Its industry-leading smartphone cooling fan allows the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset to perform beyond expectations. The ultra-quiet cooling fan, smooth 165 Hz refresh rate, responsive touch controls, and Bose audio enhancements all come together to create an outstanding gaming experience. Simply put, if you're looking for a smartphone that's built for gaming without compromise, the Redmi K90 Ultra offers a complete all-in-one package. The base variant of the Xiaomi Redmi K90 Ultra starts at 2,799 yuan in China, which is approximately £311 in the UK and around $412 in the USA. And that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!